Hello traders, I make this video to introduce you to my binary options robot, a bot that I created so that you don't have to analyze the market, since this bot does it for you, and all you have to do is buy or sell when it tells you. Well, in this video I want to show you how it works and answer some questions that you are asking me about this robot. Questions like what platform does it work with, do you offer guarantee, does it work in OTC, what percentage of profit it has. Well, in this video I answers all the questions, so stay until the end. First, I want to tell you that this bot analyzes different moving averages with different periods, in addition to analyzing support and resistance, and in this way sends the signals. These signals have a great effectiveness of 95% as long as you operate in the normal market. One of the questions I was asked is if it works in the OTC market. The answer is yes, it works in OTC, but it lowers the percentage of effectiveness, since in OTC the price doesn't respect much the supports and resistances, so the effectiveness is lost a bit. Another question you ask me is in which broker does it work? It works on the IQ option broker. Another question is if I give a guarantee. If you really tried the bot, applied everything I explained and didn't get results, I'm willing to give you your money back. But I also cannot accept that some people buy the bot and simply ask for the guarantee after 3 days and keep my bot, which dedicated my time to it. But if you really show me that you have applied all the steps and you didn't have results, of course your money will be returned to you. Something very important that I offer with the bot is my personal contact. Therefore, if you have any questions, you can contact me or my team that we will be willing to help. Okay friends, I don't know what you are waiting for. I offer accompaniment, guarantee, and I'm even thinking of doing a great $5,000 giveaway among all the people who buy the bot. In this case, I made 8 operations. I won 7 and lost 1. That is 88% of effectiveness. And being that I'm operating in OTC, that is spectacular. Imagine trading OTC every day and getting 88 effectiveness. But I really show you my trading history to be honest with you and that you can see that the bot really works. In 10 minutes I made a profit of $990. I will leave the link to the bot in the description of the video, and well, see you guys.